So you've learned a formula converting radians to degrees and degrees to radians, but you really want to be able to do it a lot faster than that in your head for all of the standard angles. So let's look at how to do that, the logical way to figure all this out. So first I'm going to go to 180 degrees, but I'm going to write it here so we don't get confused because I'm going to do heaps. 180 degrees, that's pi radians. That's the definition. 180 degrees is equal to pi radians. Now, if I move up here to the top, 90 degrees, that's going to be half of that. And that's pi on 2. If I go again and halve that, that's going to give me 45 degrees. And that's going to be pi on 4. Okay. Now, from here, I'm going to do all of the pi on 4s. So starting here, we have pi on 4. We have 2 pi on 4. If you simplify that, that's just pi on 2. We have pi on 4, 2 pi on 4, 3 pi on 4. Four pi on 4, and if you simplify 4 pi on 4, you get pi. 5 pi on 4. Six pi on 4. Now if you simplify 6 pi on 4, you get 3 pi on 2. 7 pi on 4. And finally, 8 pi on 4, which is just 2 pi. Okay, so that's all of our 45 degrees. Pi on 4, 2 pi on 4, 3 pi on 4, 4 pi on 4, 5 pi on 4, 6 pi on 4, 7 pi on 4, 8 pi on 4. Straightforward. Now I'm going to deal with, let's do the 60 degrees next. So 60 degrees is a third of 180 degrees. So 60 degrees is here. That's about 60 degrees. 1/3 of pi is pi on 3. So I can do the same thing that I just did then. Pi on 3, 2 pi on 3, that's 120 degrees. So 60 degrees, 120 degrees. Pi on 3, 2 pi on 3, 3 pi on 3. Now 4 pi on 3 is going to be 60. So 180 plus 60, that's 240 degrees. And then another 60 is going to be 5 pi on 3. Okay, so again, you're working around the circle. Pi on 3, 2 pi on 3, 3 pi on 3 pi on 3 pi on 3, 4 pi on 3, 5 pi on 3, 6 pi on 3. Finally, that's 60 degrees. So half of that is going to be 30 degrees, which is going to be pi on 6. You can also work that out because there's pi. 30 degrees is a sixth of that. Pi on 6. Now we go the whole way around the circle, pi on 6. Circle. Pi on 6, 2 pi on 6, which simplifies, 3 pi on 6, simplified, 4 pi on 6, simplified, 5 pi on 6. This is 150 degrees here. 6 pi on 6, which simplifies, 7 pi on 6, 8 pi on 6, which simplifies, 9 pi on 6, simplifies, 10 pi on 6, and 11 pi on 6, which is 330 degrees. Alright, so you can group these a little bit. They're your 45 degrees, all with a denominator of 4. Your 30 degrees, your denominators of 6, is plus 30, minus 30, 5 pi on 6, plus 30, 7 pi on 6, minus 30, 11 pi on 6. And finally, your 60 degrees, pi on 3, 2 pi on 3, 4 pi on 3, and 5 pi on 3. Okay, you really want to get comfortable with counting around the circle the way I did. Pi on 6, 2 pi on 6, 3 pi on 6, 4 pi on 6, and figuring things out from there. Pretty quickly, you should be able to tell me 240 degrees is equal to this. Alright, that's it.